Some versions of Daruifuno digital controllers support data download function. Use the USB downloader to connect the controller and USB flash disk. Can realize the download of history logs in the controller. Connect USB downloader and cable. Then insert the USB flash disk into the USB port on the other end. There are 4 bare wires at the other end of the cable, which correspond to different terminals of the controller. Open the controller cover and thread the cables through. The white wire is connected to the RS485A port. The green wire is connected to the RS485B port. The signal line connection completed. The red wire is connected to the V positive port. The black wire is connected to the V negative port. Power cable connection completed. Plug it in and turn on the controller. Long press the menu key to enter the main menu. Choose History Logs. Choose History Download. Choose OK, press Enter key to start. Wait for the screen to display success, indicating the download is complete. Pull out the USB flash disk and insert it into the USB port of the computer. In the root directory of the USB flash disk, the history file is named after the last 6 digits of the connected controller SN number. File format is CSV. The time, measuring items, measurements and temperature values will be displayed in the table.